Hi everyone, I'm Rochelle and I'm here to show you the new and improved stylus designed by Ken Onion. Ken wanted this design to be a really simple and streamlined pocket knife that could be carried in a shirt pocket, fifth pocket, or your regular pocket as an office carry EDC. He was following the simplified trends that he saw happening across the knife world that was a different approach to designing compared to his typically large and flowing designs. Here we have the original stylus and the new premium stylus. Both blade lengths come in at about 3.2 inches long and the handle comes in at about 4 inches long, making the full length of the open knife about 7 inches. The previously released model featured SES assisted opening, 12C27 steel, and an aluminum handle with an inlaid liner lock. This new version features S35VN steel and an all titanium handle, is unassisted and is running on IKBS ball bearings, and it's a frame lock. As you can see, this new version follows the same lines and the design language of the original, but is much thinner than the previously released model. It also has a slightly taller blade profile, and the pocket clip sits on a standoff, which will keep it writing a bit prouder in your pocket. What I really like about this knife is the all titanium scales. I think that it really makes the knife look and feel so light and classy, and as always, I really enjoy the lanyard hole. I always like adding a little bit of flair to my pocket. So, if you're looking for a compact and sleek office carry EDC, check out the stylus designed by Ken Onion.